Hi everybody, so we're looking at 2010 question 4d and we're asked to figure out the number of atoms are in a bowl containing X amount of iron in 30 grams serving. So look, write out your formula first. Okay, we're looking for the number of atoms. So our number of atoms equals our number of moles times Avogadro's number. Okay, so that's our formula there that we need to use. And if we're looking at it, okay, we're looking for number of atoms, so we must figure out what the number of moles is, because we know from this that we should have Avogadro's number already, which is 6 times 10 to the power of 23. Okay, so we have to figure out what the number of what the number of moles is. Okay, so we're told that we're given 30 grams of cornflakes and we're given 0.0024 grams of iron, okay, per serving. Okay, that sounds more trickier than it is. Basically, we're asked to find out how many moles of iron are present. Okay, that's what we need to find out. We're looking for the number of atoms of iron, so we have to find out what the number of moles of iron is. So our formula for that is, I'm going to write it down here, number of moles for a solid, okay, equals mass over the mol. Okay, so that's our formula there. Okay, and if we fill in our information, so our mass then is 0.0024. Okay, because we're told that in a serving there is 0.0024 grams of iron per 30 grams. So there's not 30 grams of iron. That wouldn't make sense. If you're having a bowl of cornflakes, there's no way you'll have 30 grams of iron. Most of it is going to be carbohydrates, and only a tiny fraction, because it's a trace element. If you're learning about trace elements in biology, it's 0.0024 grams of iron. Now, the molecular mass of iron, the mol of iron, is 56. Okay, and you just check the periodic table for that, and you'll get 4.29 times 10 to the minus 5 moles of Fe iron. Okay, so we have our number of moles of iron, and we're going to now plug that in up here to the formula that we have up above. So I'm going to write it out here, 4.29 times 10 to the power minus 5 times 6 times 10 to the power 23. Now, if I was doing this, okay, and I was being cute about it, I would definitely make sure that I put everything into brackets when doing it into my calculator, okay? Because you're going to make a mistake with the powers if you don't. So I'm going to do bracket 4.29 times 10 to the yx minus 5, close the bracket. Bracket again, 6 times 10 to the yx 23, close the bracket. Okay, and if you do that out, you're going to get equals 2.57 times 10 to the power of 19. Okay, so that's our number of atoms. Present. Okay, and again, start off as we normally do. Okay, write out the formula that we need. Okay, and you'll figure out that we need to find out the number of moles. Okay, and when you're reading this, like, yes, you've got 30-gram bowl of cornflakes, but within that you're told that 0.0024 grams of iron per 30 grams. So that's actually how much iron was present in the 30-gram serving of cornflakes. Okay, so there's you just have to be cute there, really, to realize that you're not dealing with 30 grams of iron. That wouldn't make sense if that was in your cereal. Figure out the number of moles, which you have down here, and plug it back in up here, and you've got your answer, and that's it. So look, I hope that helped, guys, and we'll talk soon.